on the home straight to the weekend now, so let's celebrate with some Throwback Thursday recipe inspiration. Whether you're working in finance or farming, your working day can only get better with a little blast from the past. I asked my family for their favourite childhood recipes, and boy did they deliver. First up is breakfast congee made to my brother-in-law's family recipe. A hug in a bowl is how he describes it, and I have to agree, especially with these super tasty soy marinated eggs to boot. Any child of the 80s will remember coming home from school to fish fingers and peas, so I stopped now that we're working adults. A simple, hearty and filling lunch, then and now. We'll round off our Throwback Thursday with that old classic beloved of families all around the world, meatloaf. This one is made with turkey mince for a slightly lighter supper. Check out our special ebook for a full ingredient list and easy step-by-step instructions for making these simple, wholesome meals to help keep you healthy during your working week. Remember, Allianz Care's mission is to keep you well, whatever your working week looks like and wherever you are in the world.